interrupt your program to give you a message from the United Nations. This message will contain important information that will be vital to your survival, and the survival of others within your area. Please stand by.
This message has been given authorization to be released on all stations across the world by the United Nations. This is an emergency message from the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the United Nations. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA had discovered a laser beam heading towards Earth. This laser beam has been identified as ACE shot boom. It is believed that ACE shot boom will destroy Earth within the next 15 minutes. Unfortunately, there is nothing that humanity can do to prevent ACE shot boom from destroying Earth. The United States government and the United Nations are suggesting that you gather with friends and family and brace for the end. Each country will play their national anthem for the final time. This station will now cease transmission.